Today on Hammer Wrench Renovation, we're going to work on this wiper. So I've been thinking about what could be going on. I thought maybe the spring is rusty. Well, it isn't rusty. And it doesn't look like it's overstretched. But I did notice that right here, the spring hoops over onto this metal piece. And I'm wondering if that tension hasn't caused that piece to bend. Let's take it off. Have you noticed how you can see light underneath the blade there? And when you look at the window, it's not nice and smooth like it ought to be. It doesn't fully touch. So first, let's pop this off. And we're going to take off that nut. That nut is 13. Now before you get the nut all the way off, let's go ahead and pull this piece out. Now this does take a little two hands to rock the arm on the stud, but before I take it off, I'm just gonna mark on my dirty window where the arm faced. There we go. See, the stud has splines on it. Also splines in the hole there. So this little metal hoop here is the piece I'm talking about. See, it wraps around that and also around the spring. So I'm wondering, can I pinch that with some channel locks and close that gap? Will that put more spring tension on my wiper? So I'm going to pull the blade off of here. That might make things a little easier. Push the tab. There we go. Okay, so this is the piece I was trying to get out of here. It holds that spring on. We'll probably have a tough time getting all this back on. The thing really doesn't work that well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze this a little. I think I am. Well, it didn't hit me in the eye, and I don't think it squeezed it all. That did a little. Hopefully, a little bit will be enough to create more tension on the arm. Well, it went back in. I'm amazed. Right. I don't know if that is going to fix it. I won't know until I put it back on there. But before I do, I'm gonna grease these hinges here. It should be able to push it up a little bit. Now, it would stay in any position before, so it may be enough to hold it flat against the glass now.
I remember I did have these if we want to get like a mixer.
Alright, so now I'm going to put it back on. See if that does the trick. I'm going to leave the wiper lifted while I tighten the nut down. Make sure when you put it on, that you curl that around. Okay, that was perfectly in the wrong spot. Let's try again. So it's back on. Looks like there's still a little light in there. I guess the thing we will see is how does it wipe the window. Just start it up and turn the rear wiper on. Seems to be touching the top a little better. Okay, so I tried to bend the arm a little. We'll see what that does. Turn it on again. So there you have it. A perfect waste of about 15 minutes. Now, I won't know till it rains if it's helped at all. I can fool myself and think that it helped, but if you want to go in there and try yours and get some better results, please let me know. Leave it down in the comments. Thank you for watching.